these loosely wrapping for you. I don't understand.
What are you waiting for? The fuck? Found you, bitch.
Okay, wait, so you put my
Make another hit.
Project X.
Excuse my hair, I just thrown it up. I just threw it up. Excuse me, y'all. I just threw my hair up to cook, so excuse my hair, but I'm just gonna have y'all sitting in here and watch me cook real quick because I'm supposed to be vlogging.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a steam.
We are going on a late night run to Zaxby's. Look at my hair. Didn't just put this song on my head. You know what to do with that big fat butt. I need to take this scrunchie out my head. Good morning, y'all. So, I hate sounding tacky. Good morning, y'all. I'm about to make chicken minis. I never made these. Get these rolls. They're just bare chicken. I need to see if there's honey. I know there's butter. And I think we definitely got Chick-fil-A sauce from getting Chick-fil-A. It looks like straight honey mustard. And some ranch. No, we don't got. Oh, we got one Chick-fil-A sauce. I'll give it to Jaden because I don't care for it. This food, I'm not trying to take dumb long to make it. These rolls need to bake at 300 for 35 minutes, 25 to 35. And I'm supposed to take them out, supposedly you can take them out 10 minutes earlier and add honey butter on them. And then these chickens is $3.75 for 23 minutes. Hold on, because now I'm confused. Because I had put the oven at 300 for, I was gonna just make the rolls first. But then I put it at 345 and I'm just gonna eyeball everything. Let's see how it turns out. I don't even know how much chicken and bake. I don't know how many rolls there is. 16. The camera is being held up by the oven mitts. I don't know if this camera angle is good or not, but that was 23 minutes, so maybe 30 minutes now. I don't know. I should have just put it at 375. I set a timer for 23 minutes. It still ain't preheated 375. It hasn't been that long though. All I did was check the time and text my mama back. Should I say loosely wrap it in foil? How do you loosely wrap in foil? I don't understand. I could use a little more to be honest. I didn't know the honey would blend that well. Good job. This shit really not that hot. That ass is not hot. I thought it was hot. I'm gonna show y'all what $180 of groceries for a week or two got for 2 people. I'm gonna make chicken cutlets and mac and cheese. These are the cheeses. First of all, I never made mac and cheese or chicken cutlets, but I got 4 cheese Mexican and 2 sharp cheddar. First of all, I'm looking at one camera, y'all. I'm doing a TikTok. I got granola, breadcrumbs, macaroni elbows. This one random thing be like all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, gravy, orange cream, the strawberry shortcake bars, 18-count eggs, half, strawberry lemonade. Got some fruit. Got pineapples and watermelon. Chicken breast. And 2 packs of ground beef. This grated parmesan. Got an ice cream lettuce. Smoked sausage. And an onion. Honey barbecue layers. This pig for mac and cheese. This is just a double. 2 packs of croissants. Run that space. Yellow potatoes. We got hero roll. Hero bread. Hawaiian rolls. These vanilla yogurt. First of all, when I was in like 2nd grade, my mom was getting me, and there was one with fiber in it. These ones don't got it. I haven't seen them in dumb long, but the ones with fiber is dumb good. Sliced cheese, sticks of butter, Simply Peach, heavy whipping cream, Tropicana Island Punch, and Tropicana Peachy Pineapple.
It's like something like maybe Justin Bieber or Ellen DeGeneres will have.
Vegetable oil,
Avocados.
maple bacon. I love maple bacon. I'd rather this over regular bacon. And sugar cookies. So we got all that. $178.34 at the Food Line. And I'll put my number in for the discounts. Well, to the flood inside. Do I what?
Are you gonna put music over that or something?
What?
You gonna put music over that?
Oh, yeah, you good. Getting close. Wow. This turns off. I'm drinking. Who's gonna grab the juice first?
I don't know.
Come on.
Let me laugh. Hold on.
It wasn't that bad. I knew some shit was gonna happen. Here.
Feel?
Take this. No. Oh my god. Shit, come on with it. I said, shit, come on with it. Can you open this? We should have did these shit. I'm scared of them though. I'm gonna light that shit and run. That sounds fun though. Oh shit. Little one's over there. Come on, let's go over there with the car.
Huh?
That shit was going to fuck off. Now nothing. Look to my left, look to my right. Don't know which way to go. I said look to my left, look to my right. Don't know which way to go. Go down this way. They're right there. They're right behind us. I don't know who the fuck is doing them. I'm mad confused. It's like they keep happening in the opposite direction. Silly goose.
Like they over here.
There. Right there. Keep it going. See if it just go in a circle.
Right here.
Do it go in a circle? They probably the ones doing it.
Exactly.
So, okay.
That shit probably is gonna fall in the car though. So put this shit up.
Put it up. What do you mean put it up? You think it's gonna fall in the car? There's some people doing it right there. That'll be insane. That's fall in the car. Put the shit in reverse. It's up there. There you go. We're gonna move the over. I mean the heck over. But they acting scared or something. Riley? Really? Really?
Riley, really?
I said Riley.
Oh, they got some.
Who? Where am I going with those? All the way from the direction right here. Go over here next to the.
Where?
I thought something was right next to this boy. Next to this? No, right here next to the silver car. I hope that ain't nobody parked down. I don't see no numbers. What the? That's not what I was talking about, Jit. I was talking about over here. That's too close. That's somebody on the porch or that's a chair. Ooh! What are you waiting for? The fuck? They gonna follow like a. Look behind you, Jaden. Oh, there they go. Ooh! I got scared. Ah! Them shits is huge, boy. I think we're fine right here.
Huh?
I think we're fine right here. With like, guess we're not gonna get in the car. Ooh. What are you staring at? The chair? You feel that shot? Me neither. I'm searching to find a fire. I know they didn't go in the house. I know they didn't. They went in the house. I'm pretty sure they went in the house. God, start.
What?
Start. Roller coaster. Roller coaster, toaster. We don't have a toaster. Woo! Okay, wait, so you put my That was fun.
Oh, it was now.
Yes. How the hell did we get over there? Oh, my fucking window down. Oh yeah, I'm fucking with him. I'm fucking with him. Oh yeah. Hot spot. What? Damn. Hold right here. You can't be stopped at the stop sign. That sounds crazy, huh? Focus, focus, focus. Down you ditch. Focus, focus, Welcome to that.
Really done.
Stop playing along. Behind this tree. Behind this tree.